Hey everyone, this is Kian and this is it! I'm gonna share to you what I bought in Seoul, and this is a lot of shopping. I'm gonna be linking everything down below. Maybe the price, can I think about it, and the vlog where I bought it. Let's start! Let's start off with what clothes did I buy there. This coat. I bought this coat at Hongdae. I think I bought it at Aver Studios when I was walking down the road. This is where I bought it, and this is how I looked with it. For the next one, I bought Chuu jeans. This is the -5 kilo jeans that Seoul is kind of raving about. It's kind of stretchy. It's like jeggings, but denim. I also wore it during the trip at Karasuki. I also went to DDP and met Joan Kim. Hi, Kian! It was a designer sample sale, so I went in and bought some also. I bought this. This is a designer jacket. This was initially 95,000 won to 38,000 won. It says Believe and there's Lie. It's Kojimal, that's Lie, the brand. And I also met the designer there.
Hi, my name is Chung. I'm a designer of a brand called Lie.
And there's a Believe on the sleeve. I also wore this on the last day. This is happening. This is... Can you see the happening letters? It's supposed to be 89,000 won. And I bought it for 10,000. The last piece I bought there was this flowy shorts. This is from Alani. 179,000 won. I bought it for almost 50,000 won. This is how I look like when I wore it the last day at the COSRX mall when I went to the SM. The hemline. I bought earrings too kasi I'm into earrings right now. I'm wearing one. And I bought 1, 2, 6 pairs of earrings for myself. I am into leather earrings. So I bought these nice star earrings. These are a bit more expensive than the others, but still cheap. These are 6,000 won. And these are 7,900 won. These 3 are 1,000 won each. 40 pesos. I'll show the clip here where I bought it. These are nice marble-like earrings. These are plastic. Nice. She wanted the hair-like tassel earrings. I bought this there also. She's wearing one right now, so I'm gonna flash it here. Look, she's so pretty now. And then I bought these. Cute. Akala ko dadaan lang ako dito eh. Pero hindi pala. First went to Myeongdong with Joel, and we went to Olive Young. Olive Young. But this helped me a lot during the trip. I bought these soothing patches. I'm sorry, this is not skincare, but they look like this. They expand actually, and they smell like lemon. I used this all throughout the trip, on my legs, on my foot, so that I can survive walking in Korea. And an average of 18,000 steps a day. I think that's normal to them. Let's go by brand. I bought COSRX. I bought pimple patches so that I don't touch my pimples or pop my pimples. I wear these the whole day, and then they will suck the life out of the pimples. And then I bought this. This is my favorite. It's not drying. It does not strip away necessary oils on your face. And I bought a new oil-free oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion with birch sap. This is how it looks like out of the box. And then another one from COSRX. This is, I'm trying this out. It's the Galactomyces. I don't know. Basta ito siya. This one. And it looks like this. It's clear. I'm gonna have a different video or review for COSRX. I bought Mama eye cream from this Saem. I initially wanted to buy one, but the sales lady wanted me to buy 2 because she gave me so much free stuff. She said, okay, you buy 2, I give you this.
And I said, no, it's okay. No, but this is 10. No, it's okay. And then she said, okay, I'm gonna give you one more of this. Oh my god. You know how much this is. This is 50,000 won. 100,000. And then I just said, hey, okay. Because you said this, I'm gonna give you this. Oh my god.
I think that's it for my skincare. Hindi naman pala masyadong marami. Let's move on to Kbeauty. So from Innisfree, I bought this No Sebum cream. We are a big fan of Innisfree No Sebum powder. My sister wanted me to buy a cream version. This is the primer. My mom loves this. Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer. And then at Olive Young, they have this set of e.l.f. brushes. I think I bought it for a very low price. I don't remember how much. I bought Aver this. It's a CLIO Matte Tint at 8 Chai Tea Latte. It's a nice nude pink. I've been walking around a lot of 3CE stores and I really wanted a blush from them. I bought the blush. This is the 3CE Duo Color Face Blush at Beach Crush. Bam! Before I went to Korea, I really wanted to go to Lush Spa. The Lush at Korea has a spa. They should have one here. I'll link the vlog over there. During the spa treatment, they let you use every single item they have in the shower. They said, oh, you can use everything for 15 minutes. Okay, I used everything. So there were shower gels there and I bought 3. You know, Powerpuff Girls. I really like citrusy smell, so I bought this. If you ask me what the smell is like, it smells like Joy Lemon. So Happy Hippy smells like a Joy dish washing soap in lemon, but it smells good. Why? Why are you judging me? I want it. This is a Dirty Spring Wash shower gel and it smells like Colgate. And this is kind of my favorite out of everything. This is Rose Jam. It smells like Rose Jam. And then I bought a body conditioner. This is Chris Tingle. I think this is from the Christmas line. Smells very minty. And I bought bath bombs because my mom has a bathtub. This is, I don't want to touch it. This is a bubble bath bomb. It doesn't bubble when you put it in water by itself. But oh my god, I'm gonna put glitter and everything. It will bubble if your bathtub has air bubbles. I bought 2 of those. And then I bought Mama a real bath bomb. So this is also from, I think, the Christmas line. I can't describe the smell. It's very fresh. So it looks like a present. And since I bought a lot and then I paid a lot for the spa treatment, they gave me another bath bomb. This one. This is the Big Sleep. Should not have done that. They were so happy I went there. They gave me free stuff. That's it for the Lush brand. I also went shopping for my room. Oh my god. Okay, thank you, mirror. I bought these. Mirror. Oh no, you're gonna see my setup. Myself. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna put it here on the wall because this is 5,000 won. Do you know how much 5,000 won is? It's cheap. This is the other one. Oh look, is she cute? She cute. There's a ribbon over here. I'm gonna hang these on the wall. Look. And then I bought a square one also. Square one. Oh my god, you saw my bed. Okay. I bought a square one also. And then the last one is this one. This might be my jewelry box. I don't know. See. This is 16,000 won. Okay. The same store. I bought this. Cost me. Oh my god, look at it. It's so cute. It's a shell. I bought this for Koi Koi, not for me. I bought this because she wanted earrings, right? So I bought these so that she can place her favorite earrings of the month here. I'm so witty, no? I'm such a good ate. Oh my god, I'm so thoughtful. And the last piece I bought for my room is this one. It's Kuya. No, not really. It's perfect for my wood theme in my room. Maybe I'll show my room. Maybe not. Maybe a room tour. Maybe not. Anyway. No, it's not the last thing I bought for the room. I am a big SM Town fan. Shiny World. Shiny. And I bought this. This is a room and fabric spray. I cannot put myself to buy a light stick because it's not that it's expensive. There should be 5 of them. I really wanted to film this haul already because I want to use the things I bought from Korea. I've been saving it up so that I can film this. It's cute. It's a stamp of letters and it's wood. Don't judge. That's it for my room things haul. And now I'm gonna show you the most expensive thing that I bought in Korea. And it's Gentle Monster. I'm obsessed with Gentle Monster, mainly because of Joan Kim. But I bought these because they were so cute. I bought this at the Gentle Monster near Bokchon Village. This one is my favorite one. This is the box. Look at the box. So extra. Kasi binayaran ko to. This is what's inside. Look at the pretty case. Since it's still 2018, since the last one I bought, it looks like it's the same. But last year, this is the case that I have. Fashion. They're so pretty. It's so Gentle Monster. I technically wore this almost every day since the day I bought it. I initially wanted the orange one, but they're out of stock. They're sold out. So I went in for the yellow one. Okay. So I also went to Tamburins. If you're a big Joan fan, you know Tamburins. Okay. So I went there to buy a solid perfume. Cute! The packaging! I ruined it. Let's open it. This is Kiss Forever. Although the scent is not forever. Yo! This is the perfume. And then there's another box. What is this? Okay, this is the perfume. Okay. Now you know why I bought it. Because it looks fancy. Wala pa. It's still closed. I think this box, this one, so that you can open this one. Yun na yun. Ooh. Feels like oil. The girl said put it on your hair so that it will last longer. And then they give me free stuff also. This is the sample of their moisturizer. Sample of their... What is this? It's a sample of the other perfume. Okay, that's it for the expensive stuff. Let's move on to the souvenirs. I planned every single day of the trip. It's part of my itinerary. And it's a stamp. So this is my name in Korea. In Hangul. This is Kian and it's here. I made this myself, guys. I made this myself. I'm gonna link the vlog where I went in and did this myself. And then I made Joel and Difference do it also. And I definitely recommend you buying this when you go to Korea. If you don't want to do it yourself, you can make someone do it, but I highly recommend that you do it yourself. I scheduled one in Klook, but you can also walk in. I asked them if I can bring my friends there because I went to Korea alone and I did not know that Joel will be coming along with me that day. So I asked them if I could bring my friends there, and they said yes. That was so kind. And I explained everything to Joel. No more? Okay. So maybe this counts as a souvenir. I bought this at the same store I bought this guy, this is for 3,001. I think we might be soulmates. Oh, cute, right? I like tote bags. I like supot. This one I bought at Hongdae. Because, you know, I really like tote bags. It's a good material. It's kind of sturdy. It's sturdier than this one. Look, it stands up by itself. So, that is it for my Korea haul. Yay! I hope you enjoyed watching me show you what I spent my money on. Looking back on all of these things made me realize how much I spent on everything. I'll be linking the vlogs where I bought these down at the description box. I'll be linking all the items also if I can find them in the internet. Also, I'm an affiliate of Style Korean. If you want to buy some of the things here that are on Style Korean, I get a small percentage of it when you click the link and when you buy from the link. Disclaimer, kasi naglalagay ako ng links there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed what I shared to you. If you like, please thumbs up. If you want some more videos like this, please subscribe and I'll post more videos every single week. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Since I'm done filming, I'm gonna show you my kalat. Oh my I'm sorry. Bed. The one my kalat. Done shopping there. I just bought this there. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mula bata pa lang ako, in love na ako sa mga supot.